Well, hello. Today we are at the Bath and West show in Shepton, Mallet, and it's a little bit damp today, but I'm sure we're going to have a good day. Let's go. The Bath and West show is one of the biggest shows on the southwest of England, and it's been going for many years now, and it's mainly agriculture and all local events and old-fashioned things that used to happen in the past are all covered here, plus all the trade stands as well, so we'll have a look around as we go.
Megan, Lily, Lola, New Forest, Hannah, Lucy, Corin, Mendip. Good luck. Little bit of a false start there. Right. And they're off. New Forest this side. Hannah and Mendip the far side. Both of them look as if they mean business. Both jumping that, getting down to the bottom, just slightly in the lead is New Forest, but there isn't much between them. On there, making sure that ball stays on top, and it does, and he's coming out of there in 18 seconds. Coming out the butts, it gives that little time break there, going across to 5 and 6. Now he's got a turn, and this is where the slalom, this is where the groom has to work very hard. Going from side to side, keeping the balance of those two wheels down. You see her swinging in, really leaning in. Turning the top, still clear at the moment. This is a good start. He's coming for home. He's just got a few obstacles to go. He's going to turn right-handed and go across the arena. Come on, let's give him a big cheer. This is Nigel. This is Ken and Barbie. He's still clear. He's coming to the end. Whoa, and he got away with it. 53.71. That was a good start. Come on, let's give him another round of applause. Oh, Nigel, how did you get through?
The Shires. And the Shires are probably one of the best known of the breeds in the country, although a lot of people call all the heavies under the one name the Shire, but they aren't, but they're distinct breeds. And then follow on there, we have the Suffolks. Now they were bred in the early 1800s for the Suffolk countryside. They have no feather. If you look at the horses they're following, the Shires, they've got a lot of hair on the bottom of their legs, which is termed feather. The Suffolks were bred for the Suffolk countryside, and consequently with heavy ground, they bred them without the feather. The lead horse can be quite clever at times and think, well, I got two friends behind doing the work, why should I work? But the thing the judge is looking for is to have the tight chains.
We're about 2/3 of the way around the show now, and there's still quite a bit to see yet, so stay tuned for more. Right. So this year there seems to be more stands here this year for sure, I think. So that's good.
Crowds I'm pushing, chemicals all rushing in my bloodstream. Only when say we hear, you know I'm seeing it so clear. I've been a friend to show you how I really feel. Admit to those mistakes that I am made.
Right, let's go and have a look at this old I haven't seen one of these in many a year. steam coming out of there. Look at that. I think that's a Pontiac Firebird, I could be wrong. No, I was wrong, it's a Stingray Corvette. There you go. Nice, look at this. And that's what you call a classic car. Don't see many of these on the road. Very nice. Wow, it's good to see. Supercar. Many of these anymore. Well, that's it for the sight and sounds of the Bath and West show. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would like and subscribe, I will see you on the next one. Cheers everybody.